Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says BIOS legacy boot of UEFI only media. And how to fix this error, let's get started. First, boot up your system and go and enter in your BIOS. After entering into your BIOS, go over to the advanced tab and then go over to system configuration. Here you'll find boot mode, make sure it is set to UEFI mode and then select UEFI boot, hit enter, and then here you can see it says F10 save and exit. Just press F10 and then hopefully your PC restarts and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.